Hi friends, this is a demo for automatic video creation and publishing using Google Tools and n8n. So I just have a simple sheet. I have the scenes of the story listed as separate lines, and once the video is created, the status and the video link will be captured in this sheet itself. So I have an old couple walking in an empty park. A robber wants to rob the old couple in the park. Superman comes to the rescue, and then the robber runs away. Not the best story you want to listen to, but I'm just using it for the demo. Once the workflow is initiated, these sheets are read and each of the ideas for the scenes is fetched and sent to the prompt generator, and from there it goes to the create video. So I am having a continuous loop there to check whether the video generation has been completed. If the video generation is not complete, it goes in a continuous loop. Once the videos are generated, so all the four videos, the four scenes for my story, once it is all created, it is then downloaded, and then the sheet is once again updated with the status and the link for the video. I've initiated the workflow and the inputs have been sent to the prompt generator, and now it has started generating the video. I'm checking the sheet here for any status updates or the video link URL. It is still in progress. The if node actually will show the number of videos generated so far. If you zoom in and see, you will be able to see the number. Once all the four videos are created, it is then downloaded, and then the Excel sheet you can see now is getting updated with the completion status and URL link. So here it is. So let's check the video one by one. Old couple walking in a park. Next scene is a person trying to rob the couple. Next scene is Superman coming for the rescue. Last scene, robber runs away. That's just a sample demo for you. So you can create a short film in say $100, a full feature film in less than $10,000. Interested?